Once again, welcome back to this channel Kiosk. Karma is the only way to success. And I am Master Saurabh. So today we will learn twisting yoga, but second part. In second day of our twisting yoga. If you haven't seen the first part yet, you can get the link in the I button or in the description box. First go there and practice that class, then come back here, practice this one. And before you start the class, if you are a new member on this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. So whenever I upload video, you can get the link or notification at once. So let's get in the practical lesson. Okay, and start with me. Take the mat and start with me. So sit in a comfortable pose. Okay, and then place your right leg on your left thigh. Okay, like this. Now first we'll do some breathing exercise and then we'll chant mantra. Okay, chant Om before you start. So if you want, you can put your leg like this. If you don't want, put your leg like this. Okay, and you need a strap to grip your leg. Okay, but if you don't have strap, you can use towel or etc. So first, place your hands on your knee. Okay, and make chin mudra like this. Tip of your finger. Now close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Then, okay, 3 times. Okay, inhale and exhale, but deeply. Now, breathe through nose. Then, inhale. And exhale through nose. Inhale. Exhale. Now, final times. Inhale. And exhale. Now relax. Keep your breathing normal. Okay, 3 times Omkar chanting. Now make your palms together and place your palms on your chest. Relax your shoulder. Now 3 times Omkar chanting. Now breathe through nose. Then inhale. Now inhale. Inhale. Now relax, keep your breathing normal. Try to feel the vibration on your head. Slowly take breath and exhale through nose slowly. Now rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Close your eyes. Now place your palms on your eyes slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Keep your breathing normal. Now place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Namaste. Now start. Okay. So first, make your legs parallel to your hips. Okay, open your legs and make your feet together like this. Then we will start with shoulder rotation. Okay, if you cannot, so make your legs wide a little bit. If you can, so make your feet together. Okay, so place your hands on your thigh. Okay, now start shoulder rotation. So first start from backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and opposite way. 10, 9. Look at me and do it, okay? 8, 7. Don't move your spine forward. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and work. Now relax your shoulder. Okay, now start twisting exercise. So make your legs parallel to your hips, okay, like this, and pull your toe inside, like this. Then take breathe. Now inhale, raise your hands up. Okay, and exhale, place your right hand backward and look at your back side. Now look at your right palm. Okay, keep your spine straight, okay, parallel to each other. Then inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, same twist. Look at your back side. Now inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, twist your right side. Look at your right palm. Keep your spine straight and suck your belly in. Now inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, twist your left side. Okay, now final times. Inhale, raise your hands up. Okay, suck your belly in. And exhale, twist your right side. Keep your spine straight. Now hold. 6, keep your spine straight. 5, look at your right palm. 4, don't lean your body left side. Okay, move forward. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, twist your left side. Now hold. 6, look at my body. Okay, don't move right side. 5, keep your spine straight. 4, look at your left side. Look back. 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, put your hands down. Okay, relax your shoulder and relax your legs. Okay, now start movement again. Same, little bit wider. Okay, make your legs a little wider. Okay, then we'll twist our spine. Okay, now one time. Take breathe then. Place your hands here. And now inhale. And exhale, place your right hand on your waist. Okay, here. And left hand, right side. And twist your spine. Look at your left palm. Now hold. 6, don't move your body back. Okay, keep your spine straight. Then twist your belly and shoulder. 4, look at your left palm. Okay, don't look at me, just listen to me. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then simply move your hands on your right side. Okay, lean your right side here. And then simply drop your both elbow. Okay, first suck your belly in. Okay, first inhale and exhale, pull. Okay, then put your elbow like this. Either if you cannot, so keep your hands straight like this. Okay, but not backward, forward here. Okay, if you can, so drop your elbow, but try to put your hip down. Don't lift up your hip. 6, suck your belly in and twist your belly. 5, keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front, and then simply you have to lie down like this. Okay. So fast here. Keep your right elbow straight here. Okay. Same like, and place your left hand inside your right hand like this. Okay, twist your left side. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Place your left hand backward. Keep your spine straight and look back. Now hold. 6. Keep your both knees straight. 5. Pull your left shoulder. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale. Same. Look front. Okay. And then place your right hand here and catch your right leg by left hand. Okay. Look at my shoulder position and then try here. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Lift your leg up. Okay, like this, and move your shoulder like this. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Move your shoulder. Okay. Move your left shoulder inside. Keep your spine straight and look at your back side. Now hold. 6. 5. Twist your belly. 4. And twist your spine. Okay. Look at my spine position. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now relax. Okay. Then bend your right knee here. Okay. Place your legs near your calf muscle, not near your knee, near calf muscle, and place your right hand backward. Now take breathe. Okay. Look at my this position. Then inhale. Lift your left hand up Okay, and exhale, shake your belly in, suck. Okay, and then catch your right leg by left hand. Then twist your spine, keep your spine straight. Okay, fast. Okay, like this. Catch here, and then place your right hand behind your back. Okay, here, and then keep your spine straight. Look back, now hold. If you cannot, place your right hand here and hold. If you can, place your right hand backward, your left thigh, and point your toe. Now hold on. 6, 5, suck your belly in, twist your belly. 4, keep your spine straight. Just listen to me and perform it. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now hold on. Okay, this pose will be a bit difficult, but if you think it's difficult, okay, please don't try. Or if you have shoulder pain, okay, wrist pain, please don't try this posture. Okay, you can try instead of this one. Just put your hands simply on your right side, keep your spine straight, and look at your right side like this. But if you can, so try this one. First, lock your knee with your anklet, okay, like here. Okay, not your arm. Okay, first suck your belly in and then pull your hands like this. Okay, place your left hand near your legs and right hand little far. And then bend your left knee. Look at my left leg. Okay, little far, but not closer to your right. Little far here. Okay, and then use your hands, use your right hand to lift up your hip like this. Okay, and use your left hand. Okay, your left leg down, push your body down, and then keep your right knee straight. Look front, now hold. 6 like this. 5, hold on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, like this. Now relax. We'll perform with second leg. Okay, opposite leg. Okay, look at me. So you can easy to see me. I can move this side. Same, make your legs parallel. Okay, with your hips. You do wider. And then place your hands shoulder level. Take breathe, inhale. And exhale, place your left hand on your waist. Okay, right hand in your left side. And then twist your spine, look back, now hold. 6, keep your big spine straight. 5, look at your right palm. 4, pull your toe in. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax. Simply put your hands down like this. Okay, here. Your left side. Okay, so drop your elbow like this. Okay, little forward. Okay, not backward. Hands forward, come forward. Okay, and then near your left, put your elbow down. Suck your belly in. Pull your toe and look at your left side. But if you cannot, simply keep your hands straight like this. Okay. Now, drop your elbow, pull your toe in and hold on. 6, try to put your hip down. 5, keep your spine straight, pull more. 4, put your hands down. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front here. Okay, so this time place your left hand. Okay, here. A little far, so you can easy to place your right hand inside your left. Okay, now take breathe. Then inhale, pull your toe in. And exhale, place your right hand under your left and then twist your spine. Place your right hand forward and look back, now hold. 6, 5, twist more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front and then simply up. Okay, now place your left hand really far, okay, from your hips and then catch your left leg by right hand here. Then take breathe. Inhale, pull your belly in. Okay, and exhale, up, lift your leg up. Now take breathe, inhale again, and exhale, move your shoulder like this. Okay, pull, and then look at your left side, now hold. 6, pull your shoulder like me. 5, twist your belly and spine together. 4, keep your left knee straight. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax down, keep your spine straight. Okay, now same, bend your left knee. Place your legs near your calf muscle, okay, right calf muscle here, and then keep your spine straight. Place your left hand backward behind your back here, and now take breathe. Inhale, lift your right hand up, and exhale, twist your belly or suck your belly, and then lock with your arm. Okay, then when you catch, and then pull your belly outside like this. Okay, and point your right toe here. Place your left hand behind your back and hold your right thigh. If you cannot, simply put your hands here and keep your spine straight. But if you can, so try this one. Point your toe and hold on. 6, push your shoulder backward, okay. 5, try to lift up your chest. 4, 3, 2, and 1, okay. Now look front. Then place your both hands in your left side, okay. So this posture, okay, we'll do hand balance posture. But if you cannot, simply try this one and look at your left side. But if you can, so first thing is you have to lock your knee with your arm, okay, arm plates like this. So first take breathe, inhale and exhale, put here, okay, as much as possible, and then twist your belly, okay. Then place your right hand near your foot and left hand your far, not closer, and then move your right knee, right knee bent, and then use your left hand to lift up your body like this, okay. So move your body forward like this, okay. Move your left hand back, right hand backward, and keep your left knee straight. Push your body down and hold like this. 6, twist your belly. 5, hold on. 4, 3, 2, and 1, okay. Now relax, okay, and then make your legs wider. It's a little bit here, okay. Now we'll do twisting again. So first make your legs wider here, okay. Now start, take breathe. Then inhale, place your hands here, and exhale, place your right hand behind your back, okay, like put here, put your hands behind your back, and place your left hand, catch your right leg, then twist your spine, okay, without lift up your hip like this, okay. Put your hip down and pull your toe in, okay. Just catch your leg and twist your spine, okay, as much as possible. Use your right hand to pull and look back. Then inhale and exhale, move your left side, place your left hand backward and catch here, twist your spine, look back. Now inhale and exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, same, move your left side, okay, final hands, inhale and exhale, move your body like this, okay, same like catch here and twist your spine, okay, as much as possible. Don't lean your body down, okay. Up first, use your right hand and left hand together, and then twist your belly, pull your left toe in and look at your back side. Now hold. 6, 5, look back. 4, 3, 2, and 1, okay. Now I have some variation for you, okay. Look at me first, but then try. So first make your legs wide a little bit here, and then if you can, so place your right hand, both hands in your right side like this, okay. And then if you can, try to lift up your hip. But if you cannot, okay, first I'll show you if you cannot, okay. First easy option. If you cannot, simply pull your toe and place your both hands in your right side and put your head down, okay, like this. But if you can, so you can use your left foot to put down like this. Put it down here, okay, and pull your left toe up, right toe up. Place your both hands backward and try to lift up your hip like this. So keep your both knees straight and look back. Now hold. 6, keep your both knees straight. 5, twist more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, and this time place your left hand on your right foot like this. Okay, you have to do, try to put your shoulder down, okay, as much as possible, okay, like this. Here, down here, okay, if you can, so catch your leg like this. If you cannot, so simply put your hands like this. Or if you have pain on your thigh muscle, so you can simply put your elbow down and then lift your right hand up and look up, okay. But if you can, so try this way. Put your shoulder down and right hand up. Now hold. 6, 5, look up. 4, 3, 2, and 1, okay. Now relax, okay, like this way. So second leg, so I just move a little bit so you can easy to follow me, so you can follow me easily. Now pull your toe inside. Take breathe, then inhale and exhale. Place your right hand on your left foot. Okay, left hand backward here. Okay, put your hip down, don't up. Now take breathe, inhale and exhale. Twist your spine and look back. Now hold. 6. Try to focus on your thigh. Okay, don't lift up your thigh like this. 4. Push more. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now put your same. Okay, if you cannot, as well I said, you can try second option first. Here, place your both hands backward and head down. Try to put your forehead and nose down. But if you can, so simply put your right foot down like this, right toe down, and place your both hands backward. Okay, then move your hips. Okay, like this, and both foot down here. Now take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Lift up your hip. Look back. Now hold. 6. Keep your both knees straight. 5. Twist more. 4. Twist your belly. 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale. Same, come back. Okay. Now this time, place your left hand on your left foot. Sorry, place your right hand on your left foot. And now take breathe. Now inhale. And exhale. Place your right hand on your left foot. But if you cannot, so you can try this way. Okay, drop your elbow and lift up your right hand. Okay, but if you can, so you can try here. Simply push your body down like this. Okay, and then lift your left hand up. Now hold. 6, 5, push more. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, simply down and now come back. Okay, relax your legs and now make your feet together here and relax your legs. Now this time we will do bridge pose. Okay, just one time. First look at me here. Make your legs parallel to your hip like this. Okay, here. Not wider. When you do bridge pose, don't make your knee together. Okay, and don't make your knee just like put it down. Okay, keep your knee parallel to each other and then 90 degree. Okay, just focus on your shoulder and belly to twist. Now, first I will do with my right hands here. But if you have shoulder pain, okay, or back pain, you shouldn't do this one. Okay, just try this one. Put your right elbow down and place your left hand on your right. Okay, catch here and keep your twist your belly, lift up your chest like this here and look back. Okay, you can try this way. Or if you can, so try this one. First, place your right hand like this. Okay, or you put it like this here, inside, backward. But not too far, okay, closer to your hips. Now take breathe, inhale. And exhale, lift your hip up like this. Okay, then move your body right side. Okay, twist your shoulder. Place your left hand on your right arm like this. Here. Okay, don't move, make your knee together. Make your knee wider. And then try to twist your spine, look back, now hold. 6, 5, twist your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, no, like this. Same, opposite way. Now place your hands here. Use your left hand. Okay, not too far closer to your hips. Now take breathe first. Inhale. And exhale. Lift your hip up. Okay, move and then catch your left arm. Then don't make your knee together. When you catch, you can together, and then after catch your hands and lift up your hip. 6, 5, look back. Move your body on your hand side. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now relax. Here. Okay. Then bend your knee. Hug your knee. Okay. Now relax. Just for 10 seconds. And down. So head down. Now hold. Relax your back. Relax your hands. Head down. Okay, now look front. So in this posture, you need a block. Okay, but if you cannot, so you can need block. But if you can do it without any support. So now, So first, make your feet together here and come up your feet like this. If you cannot sit like this, you can try sit on the block like this. Okay, it's easy for you. Okay, but if you can, so no need. So first, make your feet together and then take breathe. Now inhale, place your right hand backwards and left hand here. Okay, lock. Cross your hand. First, pull your belly in, the palms together, and put your palms on your chest. Twist your spine and look at your backside now. 6, 5, pull more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax. Same opposite side. Okay, here. Place your right hand on your left thigh and lock with your anklet. Okay, so then you can easy to twist. So you can twist easily. Make your feet together, palms together, and look up now. 6, 5. Put your heel down. Okay, don't lift up your heel. 5. Push more. 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna look front. Put your hands down. Now come to cat pose. Okay, so come to cat pose like this. So first, your cat pose. Okay, look at my hand position. Okay, your palms to knee in line. Okay, and your shoulder to palms in line. If you don't know how to measure, just simply drop your elbow. Okay, closer to your knees. Okay, touch, and then come up here, and then one step forward and second step forward. Okay, like this. You can measure your hands level and shoulder level. Now, okay, look front here, and then we'll again do twisting. So first, put your left hand down and use your right hand to lift up. Now take breathe, inhale. First right hand here, and now inhale. Lift your right hand up and look up. Okay, and exhale. Place your right hand inside. Drop your elbow and try to put your head inside your hand, left hand here like this. Now take breathing again. Inhale. Lift your right hand up. And exhale. Some down. Look down here. Now inhale up. Don't push your hip backward. Okay, like this. Okay, push your hip forward. Up. And exhale. Down here and head down. Now 2 more times. Inhale up. And exhale. Down. Twist your upper back and lower back together. Now final times. Inhale up. And exhale. Place your hands here. Okay, move your body forward and put your cheeks and ear down, and place your left hand up. Now hold. 6, make your legs a bit wider, parallel to your hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna put your left hand down and come up. Okay, then keep your left knee straight. Okay, in your left side. This posture a little bit difficult. Okay, but I'll give you the easy version first. Okay, for second option, then we'll try first option. So first, second option is make your legs parallel to your knee first. Okay, left leg, and place your left hand forward here, and right hand place here and sit down. Okay, put your head held down, and here place your both hands backward. Okay, like this twist. Okay, but if you can, so try this way. Place your right hand behind here. Okay. Okay, Amar, zoom karna. Okay, place your right hand here. Okay, on your lock with your right hand. Okay, like this here. Place your right hand behind your back and lock with your right leg like this. Okay, lock here and use your left hand backward. Okay, catch your wrist. Okay, then try to put your shoulder down. If you can, so keep your, okay, lift your leg up. But if you cannot, so try this one. And move your shoulder backward. Now hold. Okay, it is easy option for you. So try with me. Now let's do it. Move your left hand forward first. Okay, and then take breathe. Now inhale, lift your right hand up, look up. Okay, and exhale. First, place your hands here. Put your shoulder down, and then here. Okay, now hard option. So place your right hand behind your back here. Catch your wrist, move your shoulder backward, and if you can, So lift up your left leg now. 4, 6, 5. Keep your knee straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply down and come back here. Okay. So again, make your legs parallel to hips. Now come up your knee. Okay, then we'll do twist. Now take breathe, inhale. And exhale, place your right hand on your left ankle. And place your left hand behind your back. Okay, don't lean your body down. Okay, just up and twist your body, look back and forward. 6, 5, twist your upper back. 4 and lower back together. 3, use your right hand to lift up your shoulder. 2 and 1. Okay, now come back here. 7. Bend your left knee like this. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, look at my legs position. 90 degree or 2 legs. Okay, now we will do twisting. So first, take breathe again. Inhale and exhale. Place your right hand on your left thigh like this. Okay, pull here. Okay, first suck your belly in and then twist. Okay, lock with your arm plate like this. Palms together. Put your palms on chest and then move your knee outside like this. Here, outside. Here. Okay. Push your knee outside and look back now. 6, 5, look back. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now come back. And then simply stand up, move your right leg forward a little bit here. Okay. Then we will do twisting. Here, place your legs parallel to each other. And then, if you can, so put your palms, okay, right palms near your left foot. But if you cannot, so you can use a block to put your hands here, okay, but a little far, okay. It will be risky to fall down. And then suck your belly in. Take breathe now. Inhale. Lift your chest up first. Okay, put your right hand on your thigh and up, chest up, and then exhale. Use your left hand up and look up now. Then simply move your body in closer to your legs like this here. Here and look up now. 6. Okay, you can try this one. 5. Suck your belly in and pull more. 4. Look back. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, like this. Now prepare for this pose. Okay, first look at me, then try. If you don't understand, okay, you cannot do it properly. So first look at me first. So first, what you have to do, place your left hand on your right leg like this. Catch your leg. If you think a little bit far, you can close up to your, okay, a little bit close your legs. Okay, but if you think it's okay, so no need to close. Okay. Now first, place your left hand on your right foot like this. Okay, right ankle, and then try to push your shoulder on your right. Left. Okay, like this. Left hand on your right leg and left shoulder on your left leg, and then place your right hand on your left leg. Okay. Okay. Simply I can explain clearly. Okay, look at here. So first, place your left hand on your right ankle, okay, right leg, and put your shoulder closer to your left leg. Then pull your body down and head down here. Place your right hand on your left leg. Keep breathing. Now take breathing. Inhale and exhale. Simply head down, pull your body and push your shoulder backward like this. Hold on here. 6, 5. Either if you cannot, so you can try a strap to first hold here. Okay, then here catch and a pull more. Okay, it's easy for you. Now if you can, so try this way and twist your belly. Now hold. 6, 5, pull more, push your shoulder backward. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now simply down and then bend your both knee. Okay, like this. So again, start with our right hand. So make your legs parallel to here. Place your right hand forward. Okay. Now, again, change your leg and change your hand position. Now take breathe. Inhale, lift your left hand up. Okay, and exhale, place your hands on your right side and put your shoulder down. Move your hips forward and right hand up. Now hold. 6. Look at your right palm. 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then simply down and come up. Okay, now place your right foot on your right side but parallel to your left knee. Okay, as well I said, if you cannot, so try this way. Okay, but if you can, so you can lock your hands up with your knee and then catch. Okay, like this. So try. Let's do it. First, I'll show you the easy pose and then we'll lock our legs. Now, place your right hand forward and take breathe. Inhale, lift your left hand up. And exhale, place your hands here, put your shoulder down. Cannot, try this way, but lift your hip up. Okay, if you can, now try. Place your left hand backward, okay, and lock up with your left leg, same like, and catch your right wrist, like here. Move your shoulder there, move your left shoulder backward, and then lift up your leg, now hold. 6, 5, point your toe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Simply down and then come up. Okay. The same. Make your legs parallel to hip and come up here. Now place your hands shoulder level. Take breathe, inhale. And exhale, place your left hand on your right leg and right hand backward, push to spine, look back, now hold. 6, 5, push to upper back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now here, then again come back, put your hands down, bend your knee. Okay, make your knee parallel to your knee. Your legs should parallel to your knee. Now, again, try. Take breathe, inhale. And exhale, place your left arm on your right thigh like this, here. Okay, lock with your anklet, here. Okay, first suck your belly in and then lock with your arm. Here, okay. Palms together, put your palms on chest, twist your upper back and move your knee outside. Okay, look at my knee position. Here, outside. And then look back, now go. 6, 5, push more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now simply down and stand up. Okay, like this. If you cannot, you can use block to put your hand on. Okay, but if you can, so no need block. Okay, so look at me first. Make your legs parallel to each other and place your left hand near your right foot. Okay, and then take breathe, inhale and exhale. Twist your belly first and then move your body in your left side. Okay, like this here. Move your hips and body together and place your right hand up and hold. 6. Keep your spine straight. 5. Look at your right palm. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, simply down. Now, same posture. If you cannot, so you can use strap to hold your leg and hold your hand. Okay, like this. Okay, and then twist. But if you can, so no need strap. Okay. So first, make your legs parallel to each other. Okay, and then place your right hand on your left foot here. Okay, and then move your shoulder right side. Place your left hand on your right foot like this. Put your head down and keep your hand straight and push your left shoulder backward like this and look up, now hold. 6, 5, twist your belly. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now relax. Simply down and bend your knee. Now relax here. Place your both legs here. Okay, and relax your legs. Okay, now same do it. So first, lie down on our back and then make your feet together like this. Okay, place your hands under your thigh like this and put your head down. Okay, so what to do? We have to lift our hip up and down. Okay, so we can relax our back now. But if you feel pain on your thigh, okay, or if you have pain on your thigh muscle and hip muscle, so in that position, in that situation, you can keep your knee like this, okay, like parallel to each other, like you can bend your knee. But if you can't, so maybe you can make your knee wider. Okay, now place your hands under your hip and take breathe. Now inhale, same lift your hip up, but without close your knee. And exhale down. Now inhale up and exhale down. Continue, do it. Now inhale up, exhale down. Okay, final times and hold. Now do it. Then inhale up and hold. 6, lift up your hip. 5, try to put pressure on your lower back. 4, up, put your shoulder down. 3, make your knee wider. 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Make your knee together like this. Okay, and now we'll do twisting. So place your hands on your shoulder level like this. Okay, and then check breathe now. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Okay, then move your right leg forward. Okay, in front of your left, and then lock up together like this. Here. Okay, lock with your left. And now what you have to do, take breathe, inhale, and exhale, move your legs. Sorry, move your legs. Sorry, left side. Okay, here like this, and twist your spine. Look at your right palm now. Hold. 6, 5, twist your spine, look at your right side. 4, try to put your shoulder down. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now inhale up. So open up your right leg and lock your left leg with right leg like this. Here. Okay, lock here and then take breathe. Inhale and exhale, put your legs same. Here, right side and look at your left side now. Hold. 6, twist your upper back and lower back together. 5, twist more. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Open your legs. Make your legs wider. Okay, close your eyes. Keep your breathing normal. And make your hands wider. Little far from your legs and also feet apart from each other. Now relax your shoulder, relax your neck, close your eyes. Slowly take breathe and slowly take out. Relax. Now. And then make your palms together like a chin mudra. Okay, here like this. Like chin mudra. Place your hands on your mat. Okay, we will do makara. Okay, makara chanting. Only okay, like this. Okay, not O. Okay, like this. So look at me first. First, relax your each part of your body. Okay, of your body, and then close your eyes. Relax your face. Okay, simply, slowly take breathe deeply. Now take breathe through nose. Now inhale. And now hold. Now start. Two more times. Inhale. Now final times. Inhale. Now relax your breathing, close your eyes. Try to feel the vibration on your head. Now make your palms together, rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Now place your palms on your eyes slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Hug your knee and sit up. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoy this class, please like and comment me. If you don't like this class, please dislike and also comment. Okay, tell me the reason why you don't like the class. And if you want to see more videos, so you can go to my channel, YouTube channel, and you can search many videos. I already uploaded many twisting yoga videos there, so you can find easily. And also hatha yoga, balance yoga, okay, and vinyasa flow, all type of yoga I already uploaded, so you can find easily. And so until then, keep learning, keep applying, and be healthy. Hare Krishna. See you next Saturday or Sunday with a full normal video.